Unique, stop. Unique. Okay, guys, maintain your positions. Popcorn, come over here.
No, don't, no popcorn. Get over here.
Unique, stop. Unique, stop.
I'm a VO.
I know you are. I know you're higher rank, but you're legit freaking destroying the positions. So
Wait, popcorn right here
I kindly ask you to stop.
in this lovely, lovely corner.
No,
I just fixed all your flaws, by the way.
no, you didn't.
I did. I really did.
Unique is talking back to you.
Well, if you say so, then
I once
whatever.
led a security detail with 4
Yeah,
officers.
I know you did. Okay.
Pretty sure I know how to do this.
Just
I
shoot him. Oh my god. Okay, that works as well.
arrest him for trespassing. Together.
Get fogged.
Okay. Okay, I guess you're the only one here. So just be in the middle. Wait, you lost someone on the way. You know that? Wait, you put someone behind. Oh my god.
What's going on, bud?
Did you?
Come here. Do you want to talk about it? Come here.
No, I can
What?
talk. I don't need to talk with you.
But you kind of have to. I'm the
No, I
supervisor.
don't.
I'm a supervisor.
I know, dude. I know. Okay. Okay. If you, I mean, you're higher rank than me, so I mean,
I'm just seeing what the sitch is. Fuck, chill out, bud.
just stay here, right here, just right here. Oh, tell him to leave. Okay, I actually thought you were. Okay, just stay here. Stay here.
You need to
Good.
turn around. No, wait. Right, and then just move a little bit on on the hill. Like quit fucking turning. No, you're making this more difficult than it has to be. Can you look? Can you do a left incline?
Unique. What are you doing now?
Just gonna
No,
fucking
what you
go.
doing now, right? Isn't that army stuff like
Okay, now can
about
you do
fate? Okay, I need C and yeah, C. You go to the film. You can go. He's going to click. Yeah, yeah. Just film. Go, 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 go. You can go. Chase him, chase him, chase him, chase him, and arrest him from trespassing. Don't, just
Don't what?
don't hit me. Like it looks. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not irritated about losing health. I'm irritated about how it looks.
Why not? What's going on?
No, no, that's not how you
What?
use it. That's not how you use it. You don't use it
Oh,
as a
I
dildo.
do. Do you not see my outfits? How it's
I
wide.
do, and that's why it looks wrong.
Why not? Okay, hold on.
Don't get any ideas, Dan.
Here, let me get an idea.
No, you're not.
Come back.
No.
Maintain your position.
Um.
Where are you going?
You need to click like you need to what's the word? You need to ungrab him when you
Yeah,
click the red.
you need to grab him when you press arrest. Or you could just do as Unique does. Freaking kill them.
Yeah, they respawn in the jail. You wanna go look for yourself? He isn't
Uh.
VC. Why are you
No,
telling me
he
he's
isn't.
VC? He
Oh, he is. Look,
yeah.
just make me. No, just give me time to look, okay?
I mean, I told you he is, and then you said he isn't, and then you said, oh, he is.
Yeah, I didn't hear the join sound.
Oh, he.
Are you patrolling or are you helping with the tryout?
He's helping with the tryout if he's in the server.
Zero, come over here.
Hey, popcorn.
No, come back. Where are you going? Maintain.
Stand here.
maintain.
Move over here. Nice. Okay.
Where are you going? Quit moving around. You're acting all jitterish. Oh fuck.
Unique.
Adrenaline.
Act like a mature man, okay?
Oh, so I'm a man now.
Um, I mean, I hope.
What does this outfit look like to you?
Look, like, I'm, you know,
What?
Uh,
Say it.
that outfit with that man voice,
Unique,
doesn't really fit each other. I'm just saying.
Unique.
You're saying I don't look cute.
All I'm saying is your sister is cuter.
I don't have a sister.
You do. I know you're lying.
I'm a single child.
Yeah, sure.
So
You don't have cousins either, huh?
Unique. He didn't see Plank yet.
Yeah, do you want to meet my good friend Plank?
Yeah.
Sure.
Plank the bunny. Pretty cute. I think you'll have a crush on her.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh,
You
wait,
need go.
actually,
You need go do it to one thing.
no,
Yeah, like
bad.
I think if he like, did he let you be like this or what?
Where the fuck? Where did water go? Did water say 10-7?
He said he said resetting.
I don't know. I look pretty menacing with this, motherfucker.
Water. What happens?
What's going on, bud?
um. Wait, those who sea and water, those who went to bank, where are you guys at? See where you at.
They're robbing the
And
bank.
film.
They're
I
robbing
sure
the
hope
bank.
I sure do hope they're not robbing the bank. I sure do hope that.
Hey,
It's fucking unique.
yeah, what's up?
Can you not?
Oh, hey, fun fact. Hold on. Any mask that no PD puts on, their name still changes. So this is the Baklava 081.
What?
Um.
You literally.
Unique. I actually got an actual question here. If someone says they're disconnected, do I go over to Wanding and ask him
Raise, go be a co-host.
if he got booted? Uh, go. What do you mean go? Scram. Go. Okay. Okay. Film is back, but I need C. Where's C at? Did he leave?
He's robbing jewelry.
Is he off duty?
No, he's right here in the garage.
Oh, okay. See, thank you.
Why are you letting that person through?
Because you shot the wrong one.
What?
Oh
Wait.
my god. Why did you let him pass?
Because he disconnected.
But like, okay.